Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kiara. I'm a mom to 3 little girls. I make videos about laundry motivation, clean motivation, and grocery hauls. So if you like videos like that, I hope that you would consider subscribing. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning out my fridge and restocking it. So without further ado, let's hop into it.
So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. I got the plug, I made the cup green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Just you will come through and chill. Just like you will come through and chill. Just say you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I believe something. Tell me something, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. And I made it get free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, let me be certain. No one loves you again. No one wants you again. After the morning, my won't be long when you're loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need. Baby, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you there. Girl, I want you there. I need to reach your love, man. I need that I want you there.
Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes y'all, I was struggling to put everything away, but I made everything fit. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.